This is our 4th video, Service Saturdays in September. And for this one, we decided to go to a dog park, which was a lot of fun because we don't have a dog. So we went to go hang out with the dogs there. And I wasn't sure if I should make a treat for the dogs or buy treats. And so I asked some friends, and they were like, do not give dogs treats because they'll poo all over the house. Somebody gave us a suggestion of giving like tennis balls or bags for poo. And so that's exactly what we did, but we had a lot of fun. So if you want to do something like this, I'd say do a little bit of research because I could have made a big mistake by taking treats. Enjoy the video! Don't forget to comment because we have a special prize for a winner with our Service Saturday in September videos. Remember that all you have to do is subscribe and comment on each of the videos. So look down below. There's a link to our playlist and all you have to do is comment. So be sure to do that, and then you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and we'll post more details about the prize. Stay tuned because the winner is going to be picked at the end of September, and we'll post details on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. So, see you there, and I hope you find some way to go out and do some service. This was super easy. Tennis balls and bags, they were super cheap. I spent like $10 is all. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.